This is our explainer video for Barcodes Create. This is where you can have your print-ready graphics generated for your barcode needs. So you come into the site, you can either click here, or you can go to the top and click on Order Graphics. Now what we're going to do is we're going to walk you through a few different scenarios. I'm going to start with UPC. Now in order to order graphics here, you need to have your own UPC number, and you can get that from the GS1, Nationwide Barcode, Quick UPC, upcbarcodes.com. There's a lot of different places where you can do that. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on your quantity. You can get, or you can order between 1 and 15 on the site. If you need more than 15, you're going to have to place a second order. Let's go with 1. Pick your size. I'm going to go 1.5 inches by 0.7. You can order these with headers and footers or a combination of headers and footers. So let me select that, and you enter your data right here. I'm going to put in all zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's a 12-digit number. This is my header. And there's my footer text. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hit View and Proof the image. Here's your proof. Double check it. If it's not correct, let's say you wanted to have that capitalized, you can hit Modify, and there we go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hit Approve and Pay. That's going to take you to the shopping cart. Now I'm already logged in. If you do not have an account already, it'll prompt you for a username and a password. Now you can pay either with PayPal or credit card or Venmo, but what I'm going to do is I don't want to pay myself. I'm going to enter this coupon code. I'm going to apply the coupon. No, we do not have any coupon codes. We are only $8 a piece for graphics. I'm going to hit place order. Takes a second. What it's doing is it's generating the graphics kind of behind the scenes here. So when we get to the next screen, you're going to be able to download the vector PDF, the vector SVG, or the JPEG. You can download all of them. Here's your receipt. It gives you all the other information. So that's the UPC. The EAN is exactly the same. So let's now move to the GTIN 14. Now the GTIN 14 is a little bit more complicated, so let me show you that. Let's go here, let's click on that, and this is what a GTIN 14 looks like. It's a shipping container code. It goes on the outside of a master carton. So what happens is you have a bunch of different items inside the carton, all the same, and your customer, the people that you're shipping your product to, needs an outside barcode that'll allow them to scan that into inventory. So again, we're going to click on barcode quantity. We're going to pick the size. It's available in 2 different sizes. You can have 1 or 2 headers. I'm not going to do that for this. So what you're going to do is the first thing that you have to do is pick a packaging indicator, which is 0 through 7. Now the only time that you would use 0 is if you have a product that is 1 item to the master container. Something like a computer monitor, a TV, a washing machine, a dryer, something that is, like I say, 1 item in the box. So you're going to pick your packaging indicator. Let's go with 2. And let me enter the 12-digit UPC that we're going to use, which is 83609391037. Okay, so what I've done is I've put in the packaging indicator, I put in the UPC, View and Proof Images. Here's your shipping code. Now what happens with the shipping code is because you are adding an additional number, the packaging indicator, it's stripping off the last digit of the UPC, which is your check digit, and it's reconfiguring the check digit. So you can look at it right here. Here's the 2 that you put in, here's that UPC, and then here is the final GTIN 14, and this is going to be the number that you use. And then when you're ready to pay, you just hit approve and pay. You do the same thing that we did before. You pay for it right here. So let's take a look at, there's two different types of ISBNs. There's an ISBN, which is just the barcode alone. And if you don't have an ISBN number, you can get those from Bowker.com, BOWKER.com. And then there's the ISBN +5. So what this first number is the ISBN barcode, and this is the pricing supplemental barcode here. So the way this works is, because these barcodes are numeric only, the secondary barcode has to be all numbers. What this 5 means is this is the same thing as a $. So if you have a book that's $29.99, you're going to put in 52999. Now this is really helpful too. If you want to get more information, you can learn about the different barcode symbologies. Click that and it'll prompt you through what you're looking at, what you're doing. So I'm going to put in the very same number. I'm going to put in 9, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7. There we go. And then I want to put in same thing, 52999. So that book is going to sell for $29.99. We want to view and proof the image. And there you go. And then same thing, approve and pay. So let's go to the last one, which is order graphics, QR codes. Now QR codes are cool. With QR codes, with our website, now QR codes can do a lot more than just what we have here. But you can enter in straight text, a URL, if you want to point it to a website, a video, a document on your website. You can have it automatically make a phone number. So there's a lot of different things that you can do. So let's pick 2 by 2, 2 inches by 2 inches, and we'll put in the Barcode Create website, and we're going to hit view images. Now what I strongly recommend, very strongly recommend, is when you are looking at the proof on the next page, whip out your phone. And Android and iOS allow you to just take a picture of a QR code with your camera, and it'll direct you to whatever data is in that QR code. That way you can double check before you pay for it. Just make sure that what you think you wanted and what you really got are one and the same. Again, hit approve and pay. I hope this information has been very helpful. Thank you very much.